Okay, third graders, we are getting ready to start our amazing words for today. They are going to go along with our question of the week of how do we get what we want and need. So our first word is exchange. Say it with me. Exchange. Our next word is bargain. Say it with me. Bargain. Our next word is browse. Say it with me. Browse. And our next word is budget. Say it with me. Budget. Nice. Now we're going to look at each word. Okay, so our first word, budget. A budget is a plan for how you will save and spend money. So you plan for things like you might have a budget or a piggy bank that you're saving up for a special toy, special game, or a bike or something big. Well, your parents have a budget to plan for things so they know how much everything's going to cost, and then they know how much they have left to spend on things that they might want. So what I want you to think about is, what would you budget for? So think of something that you would want to save to get, or to go somewhere, or to whatever you would like to do. So I know for me, I will budget so I can go on vacation with my family. That's a big thing for me. So I want to save my money so I can go on vacation. What will you budget? So I want you to think about that sentence and think, okay, I will budget so I can, what are you going to do? Are you going to buy a video game? Are you going to buy a bike, or a toy, or a board game, or maybe a souvenir from your vacation? So what are you going to budget? So I want you to repeat that sentence with you filling in your blank. I will budget so I can go on vacation with my family. That's mine. I hope you said yours. Here's our next word. Exchange. Exchange means to give it back and get another in its place. So you see the picture, we have them trading different things. So trade what you have, give what you want, or get what you want. This one they're trading seeds for fish. This one they're trading their fruits, banana for an apple. Same thing down here. So again, exchange is like trade, where it is you're giving something to get something. So the sentence that I want you to think about, what you could use it for, is I will exchange blank for blank. So I will exchange my allowance for a video game. Or I will exchange my football card for my brother's baseball card. Or I will exchange my toy for this game that my friend has. So what were you going to exchange? So I want you to think about, what could you put in the blanks for that sentence? What are you going to exchange? Something you're going to give to get something else back. I will exchange my money for the groceries. So you're giving your money to get groceries. Or I will exchange my tooth for money from the tooth fairy. Okay, so think about it. And I want you, when you read the sentence, to fill in the blanks for you, what you think. I will exchange a gift card for my birthday present. I hope you read that sentence with what you would exchange. Here's our next word. Bargain. Something is a bargain if you get it for less than it usually costs. So it might have a sale price, it might say clearance. So I want you to think of something that you got for a lower price, something that was cheaper than where it normally is. So I got my backpack for a bargain, or I got my shoes for a bargain. Something that you got something that was on sale or cost less than it normally does. I got my car for a bargain because I bought it used or whatever. So I want you to think about what you could put in that sentence. And now we're going to read it, and I want you to fill in the blank for you. I got my blanket for a bargain. There's my sentence. I hope you said yours. Okay, and our last word for today is browse. To browse means to look and see what is there. So if you look at all these pictures, they're all browsing for things. You have people browsing for cards, browsing for supplies, browsing for books in the library or the bookstore. They're browsing a sale, like maybe a book fair, and they're browsing for, looks like maybe records, music. So I like to browse for blank. So think about what could you put in that blank for a sentence for you. What do you like to browse for? What do you like to look for and see what's there? I like to browse for books. I love books, so I like to browse for books. I also like to browse for puzzles or games. Those are my things. So I want you to think about what could you put in that sentence for you. I like to browse for blank. Think about it. Okay, now let's say it together. I like to browse for books. That was mine. I hope you said yours. Nice job learning our amazing words today.